Hello everyone, come along with me for a new and improved ready-to-drink boba drinks launch at Expo West at Anaheim Convention Center. Our booth was 8715 at the Startup CPG area. As you can see, this is our lovely booth. This is our incredible intern Olivia, and basically our new and improved boba drinks are gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, 0% fat, 50 to 60% less sugar than the traditional tea shops, and now we are preservative and additive-free. And unlike other products on the market, we're actually ready to drink, and we have chewy boba inside. And a huge shout out to this company for the compostable straws they gave us. Check them out, show them love. Let me introduce you guys to the team. Here we have first Kai, then we have Gorov, then we have Anna. Quick backstory on what Expo West is. It's basically an event where there's 70,000 attendees of brands, retailers, suppliers, distributors, all at the event trying to connect, trying to do business together. And this is exactly what this is. As you guys can see, everybody at the booth is discussing the product, why they're the best, and everybody's just enjoying our beautiful and delicious boba drinks. As you guys can see, everybody loves them. And so, yeah. Also, this event is closed off to the public, so you guys are seeing the full behind the scenes of everything in the industry. As you guys can see, this is our lovely CEO, Ben. He's discussing with this gentleman about our products. And coming up, I'm going to show you guys raw and honest reactions of our new product. Coming up right now.
What you don't like, there's a first sip. What are your thoughts?
Oh, that's delicious. Very refreshing.
Mm-hmm. What are your thoughts on the texture of the boba?
I like the texture. I got a boba in that sip, so that was good.
Yeah.
But yes, oh, that's very refreshing. I can see myself drinking this on a hot day.
Honest reaction, okay? If you hate it, let me know. What do you think?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, do you like the texture? Kind of
Yes.
crunchy? Yeah.
Wonderful. Yummy.
Raw reaction. If you hate it, let us know. But if you love it, also. First sip. Do you like it?
That is top notch.
Oh,
I love that.
Yeah, what are your thoughts on the texture? It's like a little bit different from the store-bought like tapioca.
Yeah, it feels fresh. It doesn't feel like it's too manufactured, and the flavor's spot on. So it doesn't taste artificial. Great flavor, great texture.
The proof is in the boba. Go ahead and pre-order yours at fsdrinks.com today. Tag your friends and family that love boba, and also tag your favorite retailers down below for a special surprise in your DM. Thank you. Bye.